y'all, it's a beautiful day in Branson, Missouri. I'm in my local Flavor Kitchen and I'm about to make your new favorite potato salad just in time for Easter. You're gonna start off boiling these baby Dutch yellow potatoes until they are nice and tender. Doing 2 packages because I am feeding a crowd. Salt. So these have been boiling for about 20 minutes. You just want them tender enough that they're gonna smash. So as long as you can stick a fork in them, I think they're gonna be fine. I went ahead and preheated my oven to 425 degrees. Now I'm gonna drain these. We've drained our potatoes. Now I'm gonna take a cooking sheet. I'm gonna drizzle it with some olive oil. I've got a little parchment paper on there. Take your potatoes and lay them out here on your cooking sheet. I'm gonna roll them around in that olive oil. Now you're just gonna take something and you're gonna mash them and you're just gonna make them flat onto the cooking sheet. I'm gonna use my Wonder Woman cup here because I think that'll work good. All right, just give them all a really good mash. So I've got these mashed out all pretty thin. You wanna mash pretty flat, as flat as you can get them. Flat. Okay, now we're gonna drizzle them again with some more olive oil right on top. We're gonna cover them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Or you can use Kinder's The Blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. But I also found this, which is my new favorite thing for now, is the Grill Masters. It's called the Butcher all-purpose seasoning. It has cracked pepper, garlic, and sea salt, and it's a little bit bigger. So I'm liking it, you know, a little heartier than the blend. So I'm gonna use it for these. So we're gonna just, well, let's go back to sprinkle mode before I get a little too carried away. We're just gonna sprinkle this right on top. Bake these in a 425 degree oven until they are nice and crispy. All right, so I'm gonna watch them. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. Maybe 20-25 minutes, but we'll just put them in and see. We'll check after 20 minutes. Cut up a few things to put into our potato salad. The recipe does call for a bunch of green onions. I don't have a bunch of green onions. I just have a regular yellow onion. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut this one up and put it in there because I do not wanna go back to the store. So I'm just gonna dice up this onion, but it does call for green onion. So get all that crying out first thing. Chop up some fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, it'll be okay. Just use your dried parsley. A couple tablespoons of that. Happen to have some fresh dill. I'm a little proud of myself. I knew I was gonna make this soon, so I grabbed some. But if you don't have fresh dill, just use the dried. I'm gonna do the juice of 1 whole lemon. I'm gonna go ahead and put about a tablespoon of this in. Duke's mayo. Let's do about a cup of mayo and about a cup of sour cream. A good tablespoon of some spicy brown mustard. Mix this up. That smells so good. Just because I have one in the refrigerator, I'm gonna go ahead and put this jalapeno. I'm gonna chop up a jalapeno and put in there. But I'm going to de-seed it because I'm a weenie. These have been cooking for right at 20 minutes and they look really good. You see how crispy they look on the bottom? If you want yours a little bit crispier than this, just cook them a little bit longer. All right, so now I'm just going to give these a really good chop. So you'll have a little bit of a crunch where the crispy part is, and then still a little bit of the potato salad. Dump this in our bowl. Mix it up. You know what else I think would be really good in here is some crispy bacon pieces. Look, I know that this is not your traditional potato salad. I know that people can be real potato salad connoisseurs. I am not. I'll eat mustard potato salad, mayo potato salad, any kind of potato salad. I love potato salad. It's one of my favorite things as a side dish, especially in the summertime with a sandwich or barbecue or brisket. So easy. It's such an easy side to make. And you can just throw whatever you have in the refrigerator. I mean, I'm thinking crispy bacon would be good in here. You could also put like pimentos in here, some tomatoes. I mean, get crazy with it. Like Greg says, get buck nasty with it if you want. So you guys can just make it however you want. Whatever you got in the fridge, throw it in. Throw some pickles in there, whatever you want. I'm gonna try it this way. Let's see if it's any good, and if we wanna add something else, we can. I know a lot of people will say, it's not real potato salad if it doesn't have pickles in it. It is. It's potatoes, and it's mixed up, and it's salad. Oh yeah, that is good. It's different, but it's good. I like it. I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna add some crispy bacon right before I serve it though. So there are no rules to a salad. You can do whatever you want with it. This is just crispy potato salad, which I'm going to add crispy bacon to, which is gonna make it delicious. So go make this. It's gonna make the perfect Easter side, and everybody's gonna love it. You know what? I kind of do like just the yellow onion in it. Since we have the parsley and the dill and all that in there, I think the yellow onion gives it a extra crunch instead of the green onions. So I think it turned out near perfect. And remember to expect something great to happen to you today, and make something great happen through you today, and have a fantastic day.